Hi! Are you looking for an easy and quick way to travel from JB to Singapore? I have a good news to share with you. Let me introduce a new product from CausewayLink, ManjaLink. It is the right card for you. Having a ManjaLink not only makes your travel more convenient, but also helps you to save time, money, and allows you to travel seamlessly wherever you want to go. Currently, CausewayLink provides the single-tap system service for the ManjaLink card. At the initial phase, the ManjaLink system will be deployed for all routes from the second link, including CW3, CW4, CW6, and 666. The pickup points are Bukit Indah, Gelang Patah, Second Link, Tuas, Boon Lay, and Jurong East. More bus routes will be launched in the future. Now, let me provide you with more details regarding how to use ManjaLink, as well as all the benefits you would enjoy when you use ManjaLink. With ManjaLink, you can avoid cumbersome payments problems associated with paying with coins, such as searching for the exact fare amount and paying extra for your trip if you do not have exact change. The value in the ManjaLink card can be saved as cash. Just store the value in the card, you can travel cashlessly. Using ManjaLink is simple and easy. You just need to tap the card every time you board the bus. With our single tap system, you are not required to tap the card again when you alight. The bus fare will be deducted automatically only at your first step, and the fare for your entire journey will be charged. Upon tapping, you will be able to check the details of your transactions. There will be two amounts showing in the screen. The amount on top shows the amount charged, and the amount at the bottom shows the balance in your card. Traveling to Singapore frequently might be costly, but with ManjaLink, it helps to save money once you start using it. Moreover, you will not waste your money by paying extra. By using ManjaLink, it helps to avoid miscommunication with the bus driver. Just board the bus, tap the card, and take a seat. It is easy to top up your ManjaLink. You can top up your credit balance at the selected CausewayLink booth. RM1 ringgit is equivalent to 1 point. You are able to top up your ManjaLink with either Singapore dollar or Malaysian ringgit. When you want to top up in Singapore, we shall utilize the currency exchange rate displayed at the counter. Now let me explain about the single tap system. Tap when you're bored. You will only pay once at the start of the journey. When you travel from Bukit Indah, you would need to tap only once at the start of your journey, and your entire fare will be deducted. When alighting at CIQ, tap when you board the bus, and a free ride will be indicated at the reader with no fare charged. Likewise, when you arrive at Singapore Tuas checkpoint, tap upon boarding the bus, and once again, free ride will be indicated with no fare charged. And just alight when you reach your final destination at Jurong East or Boon Lay. Passengers boarding from CIQ will need to tap once, and the entire fare for the entire journey to the end of the line will be deducted. There will be inspectors performing their duties on the bus to ensure passengers pay their fare and to provide assistance if help arises. Should there be a case of a bus breakdown, you will not need to tap off when you alight the bus. You would just need to tap when you board a new bus, and free ride will be indicated at the reader when you tap on another bus traveling on the same route in the same direction. Where can you get the ManjaLink card? It is just as easy and convenient to apply for it. You can visit at the selected CausewayLink booth and fill up your particulars into the form. At the selected CausewayLink counters, you can purchase a ManjaLink card starter pack. ManjaLink comes in few different colors. Just pick your favorite color to suit your style. If you still have any problem in understanding this card, just refer to the instruction guide within your starter pack or go online for further information. Now let's see how to confirm whether or not the transaction is successful when you tap. When the green indicator light flashes, it indicates a good tap. That means you have successfully validated your card. When the indicator flashes red, it indicates insufficient value tap. That means you need to reload your ManjaLink and you should pay by cash. If the indicator is red, this also indicates an invalid tap, and you will need to tap the card again. We understand that many of us already carry a lot of cards, such as our identity card, credit cards, debit cards, etc. So, will it be troublesome looking for your ManjaLink card when you board the bus? The answer is no. You can put your ManjaLink together with your other cards in the wallet. It won't affect the usage of the card. Even if you put the ManjaLink in the card cover, card holder, or wallet, as long as the thickness is within 4 inches, you will be able to tap your card. Now, let's talk about the rewards you can receive from using ManjaLink. ManjaLink comes with incredible rewards in the form of top-up rebates and loyalty redemptions, which will be introduced in the future. So keep checking our website and sign up to our newsletter to receive updates about new promotions and rebates. At the start of ManjaLink's implementation, top-up rebates which provides you with additional points when you top up will be introduced. This will be displayed at our counter. If you are looking for more information, please log on to www.manjalink.com.my or call the helpline at 012-7133-244.